Welcome back. This is Danish Dhamani with your no bullshit guide to speak better and sound better. In this video, we will go through exercises and tips that actually work for your voice to improve and speak much better. So let's get right into it. When it comes to sounding better, many of us envision sounding like an announcer, a public speaker, or maybe even an actor we like.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Someone with depth, clarity, and articulation. But guess what? That's achievable. Just like how we train our arms and legs in the gym, the tongue too can be trained. Let's start with tongue drills. This will definitely feel goofy, but trust me, it's very effective. One way is to take a pen or a pencil, put it between your teeth and say, li 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 li. Told you'll sound goofy. Alternatively, if you don't have a pen or pencil handy, make the rrr sound, like the purring of a cat, where you take your tongue and touch it to the roof of your mouth and make that sound. And make it while trying to vary your pitch and your volume intensity at different levels, like rrr. Next, let's focus on our lips. Again, a little funny to do, but effective nonetheless. Let's start with a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers and exaggerate the P sounds a lot more than you usually would, and repeat this at least 5 or 6 times. Focus on fully closing and then releasing the lips to produce crisp and clear sounds. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, just like that. You can also use your fingers to gently stretch and manipulate your lips, moving them into different positions such as smiling, pouting, or puckering. Just like that. Hold each position for a few seconds to improve flexibility and muscle tone. Another exercise is yawning. You heard me right. Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness, it's also a fantastic way to stretch your vocal cords and relax your throat muscles. So go ahead, give yourselves a big yawn. Feel the stretch in your throat and notice how it opens up your airways. Also, have you ever tried eating with both sides of your teeth? It might sound strange, but it's actually a great exercise for improving speech clarity. When you chew your food using both sides of your mouth, you engage a wider range of facial muscles, including those involved in speech production. Another trick to sounding clearer is to mimic. Mimic your favorite actor, politician, or public speaker. Listen to their talks or performances really carefully and take notes of their pronunciation. Even if it's just a 30-second or 40-second speech, try listening to it daily and mimicking it. And with practice, you'll soak in their tone. For example, one of my favorite speeches is from the movie The Amazing Spider-Man 2, where Gwen Stacy says, "What makes life valuable is that it doesn't last forever. What makes it precious is that it ends. I know that now more than ever. And I say today, of all days, to remind us that time is luck. So don't waste it living someone else's life. Make yours count for something. Fight for what matters to you, no matter what. Because even if you fall short, what better way is there to live?" You'll notice that I try to mimic her authenticity, her emphasis on certain words, her intonation in specific phrases, and her pauses that add impact to this message. Now, here's a fun exercise. Record your voice each week and compare it to your previous recordings. Listen for any improvements in your clarity, tone, or pacing. Take note of areas where you still need to work and set goals for yourselves. By tracking your progress over time, you'll stay motivated and focused on your journey to becoming a better public speaker. And that's it. Like I said, this was a no BS guide to help you speak better and sound better. I'm sure this guide will help you improve your skills in no time. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button.